Hello and thanks for joining me on this InStaff feature demo video. My name is Austin, and in this video I'm going to be doing a quick demo of InStaff's Pay Stubs module to show you how you can use InStaff to quickly and securely deliver pay stubs to your employees online. InStaff works with any system that generates PDF pay stubs, and in our case today we're going to be uploading a PDF batch file. By batch file I mean that all of our employee pay stubs are in this one PDF file here. What InStaff is going to do is read this file, split them into the individual pay stubs, and deliver them to the correct employee account. If your payroll system is currently generating individual files for each pay stub, we can work with that as well. But let's get started. As you can see here on the login screen, each company gets their own portal, and our demo portal is accessible at yourcompanyname.instaff.org. And here we have a placeholder image for where your logo could go. But let's log in now. So as an admin, I'm going to log in, and in this case, let's say I've just finished running payroll, I've generated my pay stubs, and now I need to get them out to employees. So now that I'm in, we can see the main InStaff dashboard. As you can see on the left-hand side here, currently all of InStaff's add-on modules are enabled. However, as an InStaff customer, you would only see the modules that you were using InStaff for. In this case, we're doing pay stubs. So let's get those uploaded. All I need to do is navigate to my admin tools here, navigate to this upload pay document screen, and on this upload pay document screen, all I need to do is select my document type. In this case, they're pay stubs from a system called Sage 300. And as you can see from the drop down here, we can also work with tax forms. T4s are Canadian, and we also do American W2s. Once your document type is selected, all you need to do is select the file you want to upload. In this case, we have samplepaystubs.pdf. And then all you need to do is enter the number of pay documents expected in this batch. In this case, we have 6 individual pay stubs. This is just a secondary layer of checking to make sure that InStaff is splitting correctly. If the number of expected documents does not match what we parse, we will present you an error rather than publish erroneously. But let's get these uploaded now. All we have to do is click upload, and as you can see now, the file is currently processing. What that means is InStaff is currently reading it and splitting it into the individual pay stubs. Now, as you can see with a 6 pay stub file, that was pretty quick. It was only a matter of a couple of seconds and it's ready for preview. For larger files of hundreds or thousands, it could take longer. However, you don't need to wait around, as InStaff will send you an email once they're ready for preview, as they are now. When they are ready for preview, all we need to do is click Preview and Verify to get taken to the preview screen. And on the preview screen, you can see that that file was indeed cut up into 6 individual pay stubs, and you can spot check them, any one of them, to see that we do in fact just have a single pay stub. And pay attention here to Marilyn, because we're going to log in as her in a second, just to show you what it looks like to view the pay stub as an employee. So from the preview screen, there are 2 ways that we can publish these pay stubs. The first way is to click this Accept Parse Document button here. This will publish them right away, or you can click this blue Accept and Schedule Publish Time button to select a time and date to publish the pay stubs. Say, for instance, if you wanted to have them match up with when your employees are getting their direct deposit. However, in this case, let's just click this button and accept them now. And that's it. As an admin, from here, you can send an email notification to your employees, letting them know that they have new pay stubs available for viewing on InStaff. Those pay stubs are queued for publishing, and they'll be published right away. So let's log in now as Marilyn to see what it looks like to view them. So let's say Marilyn has just received an email telling her that she has a new pay stub available on InStaff. All she has to do is navigate to that login screen and log in. As you can see here, the employee dashboard is almost identical to the admin one. The only difference here is that the admin tools are missing. But as Marilyn, all I need to do to see my pay stub is to click See Pay Stubs here or on the side. And we can see that that pay stub that we just uploaded is available for viewing here. If I click PDF, I can see that pay stub. From here, I can print it, I can save it, I can just take a look at it. And all of my pay stubs will be available here in chronological order. That, simply put, is the pay stub uploading and viewing process on InStaff. If you have any questions or would like to get in touch with us, please visit us at instaff.org. Thank you for your time.